Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Razer Edge 5G. So the Razer Edge 5G is now here as of January 26th. This is a new gaming handheld device for Verizon. So if you guys are interested, I will have a link down below to where you guys can purchase this device. So this is really cool. So pretty nice. You guys can see what the device looks like and all that. It's available now in black. 128 gigabytes of storage. It's $10 a month for 36 months, and the full retail price is $599.99. Alright, so yeah, get that out of there. So yeah, y'all guys see the device right there. Y'all guys have your buttons there, your buttons there, your joysticks there, your D-pad, your buttons here. There's like a start button, select button, I guess, and you got some extra buttons over here. Triggers right up here. So pretty cool. There's the back of the device there. The little tablet part does come off, so you can use it without the controller, so you can use it as like a regular tablet, I guess. So the tablet does come off. The back of the device has the Razer logo, which is very nice. And I'm guessing up here is your power button volume keys up here, I'm guessing. There it is right there. Again, right there where my mouse is your charging port. Headphone jack over here, so that's very nice. There it is again. Very nice looking device there. Like I said, you guys got your joysticks there, D-pad, buttons there. I think this is like start and select. And this may be a screenshot button over here, I'm not really sure. So very nice. There's the back of it again. There's the bottom of it there, like I said, your headphone jack, charging port, which is Type C, and then there's the back of it, which keeps the tablet in place. But like I said, you can remove the tablet if you guys want to. Alright. So overview here says game on with the Razer Edge 5G on Verizon's 5G Ultra Wideband network. Custom built to be the ultimate gaming Android handheld, the Razer Edge 5G comes equipped with a sophisticated chipset for powerful performance, console class control with HyperSense haptics, up to 144Hz refresh rate, a fluid 6.8-inch touchscreen, and more. And you never have to slow down when you pair it with Verizon, the network America relies on. Alright, so pretty cool. Features and specs here. An advanced chipset for extreme Android gaming experience. Game on with the Razer Edge 5G, the world's first device powered by the Snapdragon G3X Gen 1 active cooled gaming chipset, purpose built to play Android games at high frames. Purpose built to play Android games at high frame rates over long play sessions. So pretty cool there. Paired with Verizon's 5G Ultra Wideband network for console quality gaming. Verizon 5G Ultra Wideband network brings a broadband connection right to your pocket, allowing for some low latency gameplay for cloud gaming and online multiplayer gaming even on the go. Experience console class control with HyperSense haptics. Experience complete control and total immersion. Use the included Razer Kishi V2 Pro with its micro switch buttons along with use the included Razer Kishi V2 Pro with its micro switch buttons, analog triggers, programmable macros, and Razer HyperSense haptics to get an edge up on the competition. So so the device is called Razer Edge 5G, but the device is basically a Razer Kishi V2 Pro. Basically what it is. So pretty cool. So yeah. Up to 144 Hz refresh rate for responsive gameplay. Modern gaming demands superior graphics and responsiveness. An industry-leading 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 87% more pixels and up to a 144 Hz refresh rate ensures your games look better and run smoother. Alright. Native Android remote play and cloud gaming for playing your favorite games. Whether you love Halo Infinite, Fortnite, Diablo Immortal, or Roblox, the Razer Edge 5G gives you access to an epic game library. Play native Android games from Google Play or stream PC and Xbox games from your home or the cloud with NVIDIA GeForce Now, Steam Link, or Xbox Game Pass. Okay, so pretty cool. Powered by the Nexus app, powered by the Razer Nexus app for a dedicated Android gaming experience. Razer Nexus is your dashboard for gaming on the go. Razer Nexus is your dashboard for gaming on the Razer Edge 5G. Launch your games, explore recommendations, capture gameplay pictures and videos, or live stream your gaming to the world. So that's pretty cool. I think that is included with the device, that Razer Nexus app. I think it's included. If not, I will have a link down below to where you guys can download it. I will try to find a link to that if I can find one. But I think the Razer Nexus app should be pre-installed on the device already. It should be. Verizon Adaptive Sound for premium audio. Experience superior audio quality with immersive 3D surround sound, added clarity, crispness, rich trebles, and deeper bass. Verizon Adaptive Sound enhances all content, music, videos, games, and any connected device, earbuds, speakers, headphones. It also features a user-friendly interface for easy customization. An advanced chipset. Alright, so I am at the beginning there, so yeah. Design, so we're getting into the specs now here. So the spec sheet is pretty good. So the length was that's your depth. I guess that's what the that's what the Razer Kishi attachment to it there. 3.44 inches and length. What is your depth? Alright, I don't know if they got this mixed up. I think they did get it mixed up though. I think it's 6.72 inches. Yeah, I think this should be right though. I could be. This should be the right dimensions here, I guess. It's kind of confusing to me, but the length is 3.44 inches. The height 0.42 inches. Width 6.72 inches. That's without the controllers connected to it. So the tablet by itself with the controllers connected to it, it's 10.45 inches in width. Noticeable materials, attachable gaming controller, and the weight of this bad boy 9.35 ounces. Alright. Of course, you do get Google Assistant because it runs Android. Battery, you do get 5 days of standby time, 5,000 mAh battery, 14 hours of usage time, and you do get fast charging. So that is very nice. And of course, you guys need y'all guys need data for this thing to work. Y'all guys do get 4G there. You do get 5G as well. There's your bands there. You do get 4G as well, of course. So you get bands 2, 4, 5, 12, 13, 46, 48, and 66 there. You have Wi-Fi connections include Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 8 to 211, AC, AX, ABGN. There's your SAR ratings there. 5G nationwide, you do get that on there, and 5G ultra wideband, of course. You do get a video camera, which records in 1080p at 60 frames per second. The performance on this Razer Edge 5G has a Qualcomm G3X Gen 1 gaming chipset. That's a gaming chipset, guys, so keep that in mind. You do have expandable storage, which I suggest you guys take advantage of that. Y'all guys get up to 2 terabytes of bare micro SD expansion, so that's fucking cool. Android 12, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and you do get hotspot on this device, which is pretty interesting. Display 6.8 inches Full HD plus touchscreen, 2400 by 1080 pixel resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate. You do get an AMOLED display, Type-C charging port, and a 20 by 9 aspect ratio. What comes in the box is that y'all guys get your Razer Edge 5G gaming handheld, obviously. The Razer Kishi V2 Pro gaming controller. That's basically what this device is. You get a Type-C charging cable, 5000 milliamp battery, which is built in. You cannot remove that. 45 watt power adapter, and important product safety guide and Verizon ICSI. I'm not sure what that is, so pretty cool there. So yeah. So there you guys have it. So if you guys are looking to get a gaming device on Verizon, the Razer Edge 5G could be one for you guys to check out here. If you guys like to play games on the go and you guys want to have a dedicated device for that, the Razer Edge 5G is worth taking a look at here. It's available now, January 26th, $599.99 for retail price, or $10 a month for 36 months. So yeah, pretty cool device there. It's really awesome, and I think that this will be awesome for a lot of people to check out, especially if you guys got the money to buy it, you know. So it's worth checking out if you guys like to play games on the go. If you guys like to play cloud gaming like GeForce Now, Game Pass, Steam, and it plays all Android games on here. So that's pretty cool. So you can play any Android game you want. You can download the App Store as well. You can play cloud gaming, so you can do that as well. So this device has a lot of features with it. So check it out if you guys like to play games on the go. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Razer Edge 5G is now here at Verizon. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.